What's up, everyone? We are back with another installment of the Localization Basics. In this one, let's talk about the cats. The cat tools of our industry. Now, what are cats? A long time ago, before you were even born, translators used to take a document or a file which contained some nice text and then manually translate it using pen and paper, or later on Word, using two different Word documents, and they would just type it manually, and there would be like, am I translating this sentence or this one or which one? No, that's not how we do it these days. So these days we have the popular, famous cat tools, and you can think about cat tools as a software or a platform which makes the work of translators more efficient, more elegant. So typically in the platform you have two columns. One is for source and the other one is for target. And then you have all the different strings that were uploaded into the cat tool and that were processed. And then the translator nicely goes string by string and provides a translation for the corresponding string, always knowing what it is. Now, what is even better is that the whole cat tool is connected to the TM, which is something that we already explained before. So if there's a string which has already been translated, it will be automatically populated from the TM. So this is one of the key things, that we have the cat tool that works seamlessly with the TM and helps the translator to work more efficiently, always focusing on the string. And maybe you can have some special QA checks which can automatically check some of the basic errors that the translator could have introduced during the translation. So these are cat tools working more efficiently, translating more efficiently in 2021. And yeah, so this is what a cat tool is. It is here to make the life of translators easier